Hello my dear students of class 9. Previously we had done terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. So today we are going to cover the exercise 1.3 that is fully based on terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. So students, this video is very important for you. So you please stay in the video. Let us start the class. Exercise 1.3 question is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So we have to first questions we have to read 36 by 100, 1 by 11, 4 whole, 1 by 8, 3 whole, 3 by 13. So each question first we can divide, write the following in decimal form. So we have to write in decimal form. So 36 by 100, suppose number 1, 36 by 100, you can write here this one 0.36. Thereafter it is being stopped after the decimal. There is finite number of digits there. After the decimal, finite number of digits are there. That's why we can say this is the terminating. We can say terminating decimal. Next also we will say number 2, 1 by 11. 1 by 11. You can divide it. You don't have to hesitate to divide. You have to divide 0.0. Then again it is not going 11 0 is 0. Then again 0, 11 9 are 99. Then 1, then again 0. 11 0 is 0. Then again 0, 11 9 are 99. So I am observing 0909 like this, it is continuously repeating. So we can write here 0.09. We can put the recurring sign here. So this bar sign we can put it here. That means we can say, and we are observing after the decimal point, finite number of digits are not there. It is continuously repeating. So we can say this is a non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. This is the non-terminating decimal, and we can say this one. We can say recurring decimal also, or repeating decimal also. We can say recurring decimal also we can say. So I think so. This also you have understood. Next number 3 is 4 whole 1 by 8. 4 whole 1 by 8. 4 whole 1 by 8. You can write here. This is 1 by 8. If you will divide 1 by 8, so I think so you will get 0.125. You can check. 8 1 are 8. 2 0. 8 2 is 16. 8 5 is 40. Yes. So we are getting 0.125. That means we can write here 4.125. I think after the decimal it is not repeating. It is not. There are number of finite number of digits are there. So we can say this is also terminating. This is also terminating. In this way you can find out 3 by 13 also. So I think so you have understood how to categorize they are terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. Already we have done, so that's why it has become the easier. Let us go to the next question. Next question. You know that 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857, that is recurring. Can you predict the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 without actual divisor? In this question, we have to find out the value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 using this value. But we don't have to do the actual divisor. How? That is very simple. If it has been given the 1 by 7, if 1 by 7 value is given 0.142857, that is recurring, then easily we can find out the values of these. How? First 2 by 7 can we write this one 2 into 1 by 7? We can write 2 by 7, we can write 2 into 1 by 7. That means we can write here 2 into 1 by 7 value already we are having, that is 0.142857, and now we can multiply it, that is 2 7 ja 14, sorry this is the right thing, 2 7 ja 14, 1 2 5 ja 10, 1 11, 1 2 8 ja 16, 1 17, 1 2 2 ja 4, 1 5, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2.0. So that means we can write down the 2 by 7 value is 0.285714. This is the way in which we can find out easily the value of 2 by 7. Similarly, you can take any value. Suppose 5 by 7 I am taking here. So 5 by 7 also we can write in the same manner, 5 into 1 by 7. Thereafter 5 we will write here, and 1 by 7 value already we have. So we can write here 0.142857. Now we will multiply and we will write here the same. 5 7 is 35, 3 5 5 is 25, 3 8, 5 7 35, 3 5 5 is 25, 3 28, 2 5 8 is 40, 42, 4 5 2 is 10 for 14, 1 5 4 is 20, 1 20, no 5 4 is 20, 1 21, 2, and 5 1 is 5 to 7. So we can write the value of 5 by 7 equals to 0.714285. So this is the another process. This is the process by which we can find out these values. So I think so you have understood this questions also. Now